Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage on the application of Tinder. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about Tinder app and you can click here. Then this window of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Tinder. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.